Hello, I'm Dr. Edward Bethel, and welcome to Moodle for Everyone. In this video, we're going to see how you can upload files like PDFs or Word documents or other types of documents to your Moodle class, but prevent them from being downloadable. So you may want your students only to be able to view the documents and not download it because they're taking your test or for whatever other reason. So I'm going to go into my Moodle class. I have it open here in my Firefox window. And just to demonstrate what I'm talking about, if I click on this PDF document here, you'll see that it opens up in the window. Beautiful, students are able to read it, but if I look at this link here, it will allow the students to download this PDF. And let's say that you just wanted them to review their incorrect answers for a test and redo the test. They could just go ahead and download the answers and then hold the answers while they are taking the test. We don't want that. We want them to just have have an opportunity to review the answers, but take the test fresh. Now, if you look at the link here that says non-downloadable, if I click that link, you will see that the exact same document will open, but this time students are unable to download it. And that's because what I've done is I've shared this document from my OneDrive and set the settings on it so that it's non-downloadable. So in this video, we're going to look at how you can do that for your PDFs or other files that you want students to view but not download. So I'm going to go into my other browser because this is where I have my my Office 365 open. The first thing you want to do is open up your OneDrive. You can open up your OneDrive by going into Outlook 365 or any of your Office 365 links and clicking on the square button in the top left-hand corner. That's your app launcher. And you should see a drawer open giving you several of the Microsoft Office apps that are available to you through our Office 365 subscription. Up at the very top of the page, you should see OneDrive. Just click on that, and you should be taken to your OneDrive account. Sometimes, if you are not signed into OneDrive or you haven't been using it for a while, you may see a message appearing saying something like you need to sign in. Just click on that link and it should automatically sign into your OneDrive if you've come here from any other Office 365 application. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Education 103 demo. I'll upload the files there. And I'm going to go ahead and upload a PDF. You can see I've already uploaded one here. I'm going to upload a PDF to this, and then I'm going to share it to my Moodle class, and so you can see how it works. One easy way how to upload PDFs is you can just drag them onto your um, onto your OneDrive. So let me grab a PDF to drag there. I'm going to drag the same. Oh, here we go. The challenges. Oops, I don't want it to open. I just want to drag that onto the. So this is one way you can upload a file um, to your OneDrive. Okay, and it tells me that it's uploaded. And you can. The next thing you want to do is share it, and you can either share from the link that appears immediately, or if you just hover over that PDF, you should see the share icon, which is this little tray with an arrow coming out of it, appearing once you hover over it. So I hover over it, I see the share icon, and then I can click share. Now, before I go ahead and share that, the other way of getting files up into your OneDrive is just to click upload and then select the file that you want to upload from your computer. I already have the file uploaded, so just wanted to show you that this is the alternative way of doing it. So I'm going to click on that share icon. Remember, in order to get that share icon, hover over it, click the tray with the arrow, and you should see a share dialog box appearing. The first thing that you want to do is click on this thing that says anyone with link can edit, because you do not want editing if you want to prevent downloads. So I click on that, and you will see down here at the bottom the option to allow or not allow editing. Once you click that, now you can see the block download option becomes available. So all I would do then would be to click here, and now downloads are being blocked. Let me just go through that again. So hover over the article, the PDF, click share. In the share dialog box, click anyone with link can edit. You don't want that. You want to uncheck the allow editing box, and then you want to block the download. And now when I click apply, it will tell me that anyone with the link can view only, cannot download, cannot edit, they can only view. And then now I can grab the link by clicking copy link. It's going to create a shareable link. It says link copied. You could also click the copy if you want to be doubly sure. And now I'm ready to paste that back into my Moodle site. So I'm going to go back to my Moodle page. That's in the Firefox window. And now I am going to upload that PDF to my Moodle page. Now, because I'm not actually just dropping a file on the desktop, I'm actually sharing a link, I'm going to have to turn editing on to create that new resource. So I've turned editing on. Now I'm going to add an activity or a resource, and I am going to select URL because I'm going to be adding a link to that non-shareable resource. So adding a new URL, I need to put in the title. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link first. And now I'm going to say test non-downloadable PDF file eval. Okay. And I am going to click save and return to course. Now you'll notice that the resource that I just created is showing up as a URL as opposed to a PDF. And now if I go ahead and click on that, I should see my document opening in the window, but it should not be allowing me to download. I know sometimes if you go ahead and create this, you will say, oh, wait a minute, but I'm seeing the download button. That's happening if you are still signed into OneDrive. What I did is I was working in Moodle in one browser window and signing into OneDrive in another browser window. So I'm actually not signed into OneDrive here, which is what your students will be. They won't be able to access your OneDrive, and so they will not be able to download the document, even though they will be able to read it. Okay, so I hope that's helped. And if this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day. I'm Dr. Bethel, and this is Moodle for Everyone.